and we are with Jeff. It's Chasing Coasters, and we're at, where are we, Jackson?
Chessington, look.
Yeah, he's missing his finger. So, yeah, we haven't seen Jeff for a while, have we? Yeah, so we're here at Chessington for the Howloween event. We're here with Naomi and Hannah again, little Jackson. Say hello. So we're going to have a... Oh, there we go. Go in there. So we're going to have a look around, see what's going on, and see what spectacular things they have here today.
There you go. And you just pick across, and it's got a question on the back of it.
Wow, pick it out. Yeah, put it out.
That's it.
Do you want me to read it to you? Right, okay. Right. Which pink birds live in Safari? You know what they're called. The birds in... Not the crows. No, that's at Thorpe Park. What lives in you got to tell the ladies.
Flingo.
Here, you get your chocolate. Get your chocolate. Well done. What'd you say? Thank you. Ooh. So that was a nice surprise, wasn't it, Jackson? What have you got there? Some Freddo the Frog? Oh, chocolate buttons. Wow. Yeah, so Jackson managed to guess what pink birds live in Safari. Flamingos.
Flingo.
Right. Do you want me to carry that for you? Okay. Oh, he won't share his chocolate with me, will he? Oh, you dropped it. Oh, it's all right. Leave it on the floor. Right, no, you carry on.
I thought you...
No, it's all right. It's only joking. Wow, look what they've done over here. That's all right. I'll meet you in a minute. They made the water all green. Oh, that's cool. And there's a skeleton over there too.
Where?
Over the back. Yeah, and there's one eating the barrel. Yeah, so we've got the I've got the scare maze later, creepy caves. Looking forward to that. Yeah, so it looks quite nice around here. Lots of bunting.
I never seen it. I see it. And then
Yeah.
there's that, look, it's a big bat.
There's a big bat, yeah. Giant spider in there. Come and stand up here. Here, hold my hand. Big spider in the water with the blood coming down. That's quite nice. Yeah, so the coaster comes flying around here.
That must be blood from the spider.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Now on with our story. There on a rock sat a furry creature in tears. Hello, said Elmer. Did you hear that roar? Sobbed the creature.
Right, so yeah, just went on the new and improved Toon Blaster. I'll tell you what, I didn't realise quite how dark it was. It's only like the third time I've done it since I've done it up. No, it's proper dark. I can understand why kids get scared of it. But the story behind it is really good. So yeah, nice little ride that was. So we're going to go off and do creepy caves now. Give you a little review of that when we come out. I'm sorry it's not much views of the rides and stuff today, but just trying to give you a general idea of what it's like. And yeah, so far it's not too bad. Doesn't feel too busy. So yeah, see us after the creepy caves. Here we go. We've just done the creepy caves there. Yeah, really good, really good. You go in, it's basically, you just got to stay away from everyone, but it's so noisy in there and they jump out on you and a lot of noise and banging, and it's more the intensity of the noise.
Did you enjoy it?
Did I enjoy it? Yeah, I enjoyed it, yeah.
There was creepy monsters.
There was lots of creepy monsters in there. They all come at you and banging on the bins and stuff. Yeah, so it's yeah. Well worth it. I would, yeah, better than anything that got a Thorpe Park. Quite intense, dark. Not quite as good as the creepy caves from last year. Not quite as much of a storyline, but that's probably down to the social distancing, trying to get people through. But yeah, really good. So dark and lots of noise. They jump out on you. Just yeah, I'll give that a 9 out of 10 on that one. Yeah, definitely do it again. There's some foxes, look, 2 little foxes come all this way to Chessington Zoo to see some red foxes. But I'm sure if you left some... Oh, the lions have been lively today. That's the lions. A little circle. Oh! Oh!
Why?
Very posh, isn't it?
It's like a Bernard. Bernard, is it?
Might be some bush doggies on babies on the way. So Creepy Caves was an upcharge of £5 each, and a minimum group tickets of 2, up to a group of 6. So we've got the Forgotten Forest, which is a free one. So yeah, you queue up, same place as they had it last year, and a little walk through of some photo opportunities I hear. Oh, this is looking good. Got some bubbles, which is looking nice. That's fantastic. Look at the bubbles on that. Bubbles full of smoke. Oh, that's cool. So there was a little bit of footage there of Forgotten Forest. I'll do a POV of daylight one. Walk through. Yeah, it was alright. Wasn't too bad. No sweeties at the end. But yeah, not too bad. It's good social distancing there. People weren't getting up each other. It's just basically take a load of photo opportunities on the way through. So did you enjoy the Forgotten Forest then, Jackson? As you can see there, Jackson wasn't overly impressed. Oh yeah, he did enjoy it. So we're just going to go and get something to eat now. And give me a bit more.
Popping bubbles.
Popping bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah, you enjoy that?
There's a froggy.
Hello, young man. How are you? Good. What do you think I am? What? I'm a human. Very good. I am a human. Do you think I'm a kind or a nasty? Kind or nasty? No! I'm guessing that's a nasty then. I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling very kind today. Get a film. Get a good film. Come on. Look at the cat. What about we put you in our cauldron? You like that? Come in here?
Yeah.
No. I think you'd like that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Woo!
Lovely. So is she a good witch or a bad witch? Bad witch.
Oh, and I'm in a good mood, so imagine if I was in a bad mood, then I'd be a very bad witch, wouldn't I? In a minute. Yes,
One of the actors there, that's Entomb Blaster. Right, so we have just found out what this new pen is for. It does say, please excuse my appearance at the moment, it's the skunks. The skunks are moved into Capybara Island. There we go. So if you ever wonder when you come to Chessington what's in here by the monkey and the monkey, whatever it's called, and the penguins, just here, Skunk Island. I think they've done quite a good job there.
be careful, they do get you sometimes.
Oh. Oh.
Like to take the street.
Oh yes, please. Watch this one. She loves her nerds. Thank you ever so much. Thank you. Will do. Oh, what are these? So it's going to be the last ride for me today. 20-minute queue on the vampire. Supposed to be as a bit extra theming. It's been a long time since I've been down there. Good little queue. Sorry, it's a bit of a fast walk through, but hey, it's been a good day here at Chessington today. Different to other years. Due to the COVID situation, but it's been quite good. It's a bit dark down there. Social distancing really hasn't been a problem. It's just been one person out of thousands of people here, but yeah, it's been really good. So yeah, nice day down here at Chessington. It's very quiet this evening. Between about 5 o'clock, everyone started to leave the park, and it's open till 7. So, gonna give it a go. Can imagine next week being a bit busier, seeing that it's going to be half term down in the south. But oh, look at that for theming. That's good. Some nice sound effects. You? Yeah?
Are you a vampire?
No, I'm not a vampire.
Are you a vampire? Yeah. Show me your teeth.
Good to see you.
Hello there.
Hello,
You alright?
friend.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm not too bad. Someone looking for you out there, I think.
Oh, it's not that vampire hunter, is it?
Well, I don't know. He asked if I was a vampire.
Don't worry, I'll have him taken care of later.
Good on you.
That being said, mind how you go in the dark. I wouldn't want you getting too lost from the path. But if you do, I'll be there to welcome you with open arms.
Thank you very much. So there you go. Got a new little toy on my camera here, little light. It's quite bright actually. But yeah, just had a little go on Dragon's Fury. Let's finish the night off. It's been quite a good night actually. Quite a good day. Not too busy. Got on a few of the rides. Jackson's had a nice time. Yeah, done the vampire. That's good fun. Yeah, so Spooky Caves was absolutely amazing. Definitely worth a £5. Better than anything at Thorpe Park. Yeah, the little witches were quite good. The acting in some of the queue lines was quite good as well. But yeah, thoroughly a good day out here at Chessington. Almost said Alton Towers then. Chessington, Alton Towers next week, hopefully. So yeah, big thumbs up. 8 out of 10 for effort and for the theming they've done so far. So yeah, good day out. So if you like this video,
And subscribe.
Jackson,
And subscribe.
and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, give it a
Subscribe.
and subscribe. So bye bye.
Okay. I've got hiccups now.
You've got hiccups now.